The Figma tricks you should know earlier.
In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a prototype like this. It's very easy. First, create a design that contains all UI elements. Now duplicate the artboard, and then move the mask menu sheet to the bottom. Duplicate the artboard again, and delete the scram layer. Now we have 3 phases of the transition we want. Let's animate them. Click Prototype on the right top corner. Select the 3 dots menu icon, and then connect to the right artboard. Select Smart Animation. Select Easy and Easy Out. Select the whole artboard and connect to the artboard on the right. Select After Delay, and put in 100 milliseconds. Keep it as Smart Animate, ease in and out in 300 milliseconds. Last, connect the gray scrim to the first page, and set the first option as on click. So when you click the gray area, it will bring you back to the first screen. Now, click the play icon. Let's see how it looks like. It works pretty well. When tapping the menu icon, the sheets slide out from the bottom. When tapping the gray scrim, it will bring me back to the first page. For the next video, I'm going to show you the easiest way to make this prototype demo in a GIF file for your portfolio website, without using Photoshop or screen records. It can be done in 1 minute. If you like the content, please subscribe to get daily Figma tricks.